What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back with another video about the upcoming sneaker releases, this time for the month of July. Now June was kind of a sad month, but July seems to be interesting. So without wasting any time, let's quickly get into it and let's start with some Adidas or Yeezy sneakers rather, because Adidas is actually of no relevance. So yeah, let's start with the Yeezys. So the first one to drop is the 700 MNVN in yet another colorway like all the other Yeezys usually, that is the blue tints. Now personally I'm not a fan of 700 MNVN because the upper is kind of weird. Not weird, I would say, it's just a little different, which I do not like. But it's good for many other people because the price point is slightly lower than the 700 V2s or V3s. So if you want them for personals and you've never tried them, or you like 700 and you don't want to spend a lot of money and things like that, then you should definitely go in for these. Blue is a nice colorway, you cannot go wrong with it, and it will be pretty much easy to cop on retail because it does not really have any resale, and it's high time people understood that if you want to sell sneakers and make money, then Yeezys is not the right thing to do right now. So yes, it's a cop for personals, but for reselling, like I said, it's a definite drop. Moving on, we have a couple of foam runners and slides dropping. So the foam runner is dropping in two colorways, that is the MX Clay it's called, I'm not very sure what's it called, and the Ochre. Now Ochre is a dark beige version, like the sand was a light beige colorway. So it's a nice colorway. I think it's pretty neutral and very easy to wear and style. So yes, it's definitely going to be a hit for personals. And MX Clay on the other hand looks a little different. Maybe it's not for everyone, but it is not bad. It's going to look great on feet probably. So yes, both of these foam runners are definitely a cop for personals because they look fantastic on feet. They are very practical and people are realizing how good they are, and which is why the resale is also going strong. So yes, it's a cop for reselling as well. Moving on, we have probably one Yeezy slides rumored to drop, which is again MX something, I don't know. It's basically sort of a grey colorway with paint spill over it, sort of a design which I kind of like, especially after the disappointment in the Enflame orange that I faced last time. I am definitely looking forward for this one. Guys, keep in mind all these slides and foam runners for the next couple of months or for this year to say is going to perform great in the resale market, and they are going to be great for personal as well because the hype is sort of new and more people are wanting to get into it. So yes, all of the foam runners and slides that drop are always going to be a cop for personals and for reselling. Now before we move on to Nike, let me remind you, we are currently giving away a pair of Jordan 1 Low Dior's in Metro. Now those of you who do not know what Metro is, then go and check out the previous video as I have explained Metro over there. And yeah, here it is, the brand new deadstock pair of Jordan 1 Dior Lows. All you have to do is go to the link in description box below, buy a subscription for $9.99 and you will automatically enter the giveaway for these, and we will be announcing a winner on Friday night. So all the best. Who knows, you might just walk away with these for only 9.99 rupees. Moving on to Nike. So we have a couple of good sneakers from Nike. Obviously in the month of July, Nike never disappoints, unlike Adidas. Let's not get into that. So the first sneaker that is rumored to drop is the Off-White Air Force 1 in the University Gold colorway. Now this sort of a yellow colorway, actually it's yellow only, not sort of a yellow. I don't know why Nike calls them University Gold, they should just call it yellow, but anyways, that's not what we are talking about. So the yellow colorway is not as widely popular as the blue colorway was. The MCAs I'm talking about, by the way. So these might not really do as well and the demand might not be as high compared to the MCAs. But the rumor is that these are going to be extremely limited, probably in lesser quantities than MCAs as well, and they'll be dropping in, I think, Boston. There's an exhibit of Virgil Abloh in Boston if I'm not mistaken, and also on Nike sneakers, but it's going to be very limited. Like I said, we don't know if it's going to be listed in Sneakers India or not. Most likely it would, because that's how it works. No, I don't think MCA dropped. So anyways, leave that out. It's going to be impossible to cop, next to impossible to cop. The resale could be around $1,000, but a lot of people are very skeptical because we don't really know the quantity of the sneaker, and since it is yellow, like I said, we don't really know what's going to happen. But regardless, it's going to be limited for sure, so the resale will be great. Just keep an eye out and they will release some details where it's going to drop, and you can probably try it over there. Either ways, yellow is my favorite along with orange when it comes to sneakers, so this is definitely a cop for me for personals. In fact, it is one of the best releases for the year when it comes to my personal opinion. And apart from that, obviously it's a cop for reselling. I don't need to say that. It's an Off-White limited sneaker. So yeah, moving on, we have the Air Jordan 4 white Oreos, aka Tech Grey, which you must have already seen on Super Kicks. Just yesterday I think they posted about it coming soon. So yeah, that's the next one to drop. It's pretty much like the UNC Jordan 4s in the sense that we had the UNC Jordan 1s and then we had the UNC Jordan 4s. So similarly, we had the neutral grey Jordan 1s and now we have the Tech Grey Jordan 4s, and in my opinion definitely the 4s look way better than the 1s in these colorways. And these sneakers were kind of teased from a long time, but it kept getting delayed and it's finally confirmed to be dropping. A lot of people are excited for this and they are going to perform equally like the UNCs. Maybe not exactly the same initially, but over time these will do really well. So yes, it is a definite cop for personals and for reselling. Now moving on, we have another Air Jordan 3 in the racer blue colorway, which I think we did speak about in the June releases, but it did not come. I'm not very sure. Either ways, it's confirmed to be dropping in July, and it's kind of inspired by the sample colorway of Fragment 3 Jordans with the blue and the black on the white upper. So yeah, it's a clean colorway, but it's a general release, so do not bother if you are looking to resell. There will not be any resale on those in India. It's a great cop for personals for sure. So yes, you can go for it if you want to wear them, but please leave it out for others who want to wear them, and do not chase it to make money, because you're not going to be able to make money on these. Moving on, there's another old sneaker from the June releases, that is the Fragment Sakai, that did not drop in June, but I'm expecting them to drop in July for sure. It's a cop for personals and for reselling. No, it's not going to come in stores in India obviously, because it's a collaboration. So yeah, if you want to know more about that, then go and watch the previous video, since we have already spoken about those sneakers. Moving on, we have a Jordan 1 High in the Electro Orange colorway. Now, a lot of people are saying these are the SBB 4.0s, but no, they are not. They are just another orange, black, white colorway for the Jordan 1. So obviously do not expect it to blow up like the SBBs. And yeah, overall I think they're kind of okay, because there's too much of white on it, similar to the Travis Fragments, but I don't think I kind of like that as of now. We'll have to wait and watch how they look in hand and on feet. So yeah, they are one of those Jordan 1s that have emerged recently that resell for around 18 to 23,000 in India, like the Volt Gold, like the Shadow 2.0s, and now this one. So yeah, it's kind of decent. If you can cop them for retail, then it's a great personal sneaker to have. And talking about resale, do not chase it. If you get it, then you can flip it for a small margin, but do not chase it and go mad behind it, because it's kind of okay and not that hyped. Moving on, what do we have next is that's all. We don't have anything else. Oh, obviously, we have the neutral grey Jordan 1 lows. Now that dropped couple days back, but only in women's sizing. And this time around, they're coming in the men's sizes, I think on 7th of July on Nike sneakers platform. I definitely like the low neutral greys better than the highs. And that is why it's a personal cop for sure. About reselling, it won't be as great, but it will definitely be above the other usual Jordan 1 lows that we keep getting now and then. So yeah, I'll say it's kind of a cop for both the intentions, personal or reselling. Now the last sneaker that we have obviously is the Travis Fragment Jordan 1 highs, which is expected to drop at the end of the month, when obviously it will not come to India in Super Kicks and Veg Non-Veg. I'm saying this because a lot of you people keep asking me such questions. No collaborations as of now haven't been coming to India. I hope they do start coming soon. But either ways, this is a great sneaker. I don't need to discuss about it. It is said that the quantities of the highs will be much lower compared to the lows. So let's see how that goes. But I do not really like the color blocking on the highs. We'll have to wait and watch how they look in hand. Maybe we will grow into it and start liking it. So let's end this over here. That's going to be a cop for personals and for reselling. We'll have a look and talk about it in detail on my channel when I get one to unbox it. So yeah, those are all the sneakers for the month of July. Now apart from this, please keep in mind all the Jordan 1 mids and lows that keep dropping in Veg Non-Veg and Super Kicks are absolutely fantastic to cop, but only for personal use. Do not keep on thinking that if it's a Jordan, you can just buy it and resell it, It's not like that. The mids and lows that keep dropping is a great thing that Super Kicks and Veg Non-Veg is doing, because a lot of people don't care about the hype and they just want the silhouette. So please leave those sneakers out for people who want to buy it and wear it, and do not like a madman chase it every time to sell it for 1000 rupees or 500 rupees higher and try to make money off it. Leave something for public who want to wear it and enjoy the sneakers. So yeah, those were about the mids and lows. I think that's all we have for today. These are all the sneakers expected to be dropping in July. Do let me know in the comments below what you feel about these sneakers, or which one would you be kind of going for. And I'll see you on Friday with the next video. Peace.